Hey, today is going to be a really exciting episode. I got a whole bunch of used TMNT toys off eBay, and I'm going to open them all up. I don't have a big enough table to do this, so this is a bread bag, which is good, because I like the smell of bread. There are a lot of McDonald's Happy Meal toys. Bunch of these. I actually already have this set. They're my favorite of the Happy Meal toys, the astronaut ones, and I do already plan to make a video where I customize them. But I was supposed to count. I don't know how many there are. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Alright, we got 17. It's a good start. Need to make some space. Their shell opens up. They're not great. This is dope. These 3. Old Leo in the blue, but he's missing his shell. One day I'll find a shell for him, I'm sure. And a bunch of 2012 guys. Raph. Another Raph. Do something with that guy for sure. I like to get these big eBay hauls because I make custom toys, and I'd rather a used toy than a brand new toy. Leo, Donnie, 5 of these guys. Also got 1 Leo from the 2003 series. And we got a bunch of little things. That's cool. Like a Hot Wheels style car. A little Rubik's Cube. Is this a McDonald's toy? A little Mikey like that. Lego or Mega Blocks. This guy's missing a shell. The sewers. Could be a skateboard for something. Missing wheels. From the Michael Bay movie. Got a big Raph. He's one of those kind of motion guys. I'll make something out of him. He looks pretty cool. Leo. Is this from the movie? Or is this from something else? It's got something rattling around in the back. This is a weird harness. I don't even think it goes on him. Weird looking Splinter. We got Donnie. Donnie looks cool. I'll make something out of these guys. I've got some plans already for them. And a Mikey. More from the 2007 movie. I think it's 2007. Probably mix these together after I take them apart and try to build some cool stuff. We'll see. Alright, 9 more. These were the ones I was most excited about out of this whole lot. We got the whole set. Leo, these were like when they went back in time in the 2003 series. Mikey. I had one like that, but he didn't have the armor, and I turned him into Moon Knight. I also have this guy without the armor. Raph. I had a Raph like that without the armor. I used him to make Wolverine. Well, that's dope. Raph came with 1 in the back here, which is dope. And a couple helmets. I'm gonna have to do a little research, see who has what. 3rd helmet. 3 shields. These are Mikey's weapons, I guess. That's dope. These are dope, but I don't think they go with these guys. I ordered another smaller lot that has more weapons for these guys that I'm also gonna open up. 4 of these guys. It is a weird. You wind him up and he's supposed to spin his arm. I don't think he works. His legs don't move. Could use his head or maybe some parts from him. Alright, from the 2012 series. He's supposed to do like flips or something. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of that guy. It's kind of cool. It could, if I take this piece off, could do something cool with them. That was 3 more. This is cool. I've never seen one of these. He's got some crazy eyes on him. And he's got, it looks like there's a speaker in there. And batteries on in his feet. I don't see a power button. Well, that's cool. I could do something with that guy. He's pretty big. I have one like this that one of the first things I ever customized of turtles. He's cool. I could do something with him. Maybe like a Batman. That's 2 more. That's the end of this box. That had 45 plus some little things in there. Now I have this little box. This one doesn't smell like bread at all. We've got another sewer skateboard. Classic 87 Rocksteady. But this one, he's got not just a soft head, he's got like a squishy head full of air. Really soft head. Maybe a kid got poked in the eye with a rhino horn and they changed it. Not sure. Raph from 2003. I really like using the 2003 figures for custom because they're a little bigger. It's easier when they're a little bigger. Some more 2003. Already got this guy. Don't have this guy. He's dope. Have one of him, but not those nunchucks. So another one, 2003. We got this dope motorcycle. Pretty sure that's 2003 as well. Really happy about that. And a scooter. I don't have one of these for these sewer action sports guys. And this, which I haven't opened. I guess his head pops in there. Is there like a little universe inside of him? How do you open him? Open. Yeah. Anyway, that's another 5 plus 2 vehicles. So 50 action figures that I can play with. And this thing, which would be cool if I could open this guy. Yeah, there is like a little, I forget what these were called. But I had some of these when I was a kid. That's dope. 2 turtles. And like a little layer in there if I could open it up. There we go. That's cool. Little sewer. I really like that. These tiny little guys. That's pretty dope. But the main thing that's holding me on this lot is it has all the weapons that these guys are missing. Plus a bunch more. A little axe. Another weapon for Raph. So these weapons actually don't go with these guys. These are bronze, where these guys are gold. I wonder who the bronze weapons go with. I'm not sure, but if you've stuck with me this long, congratulations. And thanks a lot for watching. I'm going to take some pictures of these guys all set up better and I'll play them so you can see more what I got. 50 action figures plus a ton of weapons and a bunch of little small things and 2 sewer rocket skateboards. Don't remember what they're called. Leave a comment if you know and then I will know because I'll read all the comments. And a scooter for the sewer sports. Anyway, I guess these pictures are playing now. And until next time, remember, always keep your head up. And peace.